Oscar never barks.
Oscar never barks.
No. Only because she is.
I was going to say, does she know?
Hi, Posh. Lily. This is Lily with the red collar. She's available for adoption at CarolinaBoxerRescue.org. Oscar's the white one. He's mine. And there's little Miss Posh. 6 months old. Firecracker.
Gorgeous little thing.
Gorgeous, sweet girl that loves to cuddle. Also available for adoption at CarolinaBoxerRescue.org. And she likes to bark at cats.
Yeah.
Look at him. Lily just sits there. She's so good. Lily's quite regal.
She's lovely.
Oscar playing with the puppy. Wow. That's what your house looks like with 3 boxers, including a puppy. Look at Lily. Lily's ready to go. Oh, Lily's got a turn. They've got their toys.
Leanne, it's weird what you see. Leanne's but you can see the orangey. You two look so alike on these photos.
Who does?
Me and you.
Really?
The latest part of the Toy Soldier musical song.
I don't like toy soldiers.
Posh is so submissive right now. Haley, look at her. She's lying flat on her back.
Ow, you're on my feet.
She's like, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me.
Hey, Lily girl.
And then she's going to turn around and crash.
Look at Oscar with her.
Ow. Ow. Oh, you made my foot go on the, my football. My foot.